welcome to the latest unboxing from the extracts of the Diary of a Man About Town. I do apologise, I haven't uploaded a video for quite a while. Real life getting in the way. Anyway, basically, I just want to give a quick shout out. This is dedicated to Richard, aka Rico T, who inspired me to actually make this video because he wanted some feedback about the product. Now, in case you're wondering what this water is for, basically I don't do very well in the heat, and so instead of purchasing a traditional fan, I have bought what is referred to as a portable air conditioner, which is in this box. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to do an unveiling. We're going to try and set it up quickly and a brief first impression review. So let's get started. It took a while to get here, but it is here. Trusty knife doing what it needs to do. I do hope the background music is not too loud. I'm trying to get my settings right. If it is, please forgive me. Work in progress. Okay, now there we have it. I'll put it up a bit closer to the camera so you can see it. I hope you can. Whoops, let me just lower that a bit. Sorry, I'm monitoring this from my mobile phone, so that's it. There we have it. Now the interesting thing about this is, well, two things. One, it actually has it humidifies, and it's also got a LED lighting, which is kind of cool, one would imagine. Anyway, let's continue with our unboxing. This retailed for, including postage, it was approximately £23. It was dispatched within the UK, so it's not a case of waiting for it to come from Singapore or anything like that. The only thing I don't like about this thing is that it uses USB, but we'll work around that. We recommend using the picture of measuring cup. They're referring to the water. Now apparently it runs up to 8 hours on a single fill. Even if the tank is empty, the water filter keeps the air flowing. It says wait 3 minutes after filling tank to allow water to absorb into the polluter, and then place on a flat raised surface and plug in. Okay, right, let's see what the gadget actually looks like. Right, so we've got our manual. We'll put that aside for a minute. They kindly included a USB cable, which is great because I've got loads of USB plugs, so that will work. Got this eggshell protecting stuff. Toss that over there. Turn this upside down and hopefully I won't drop it. Okay, one hand balancing. There you go. And that's what it looks like. Now my plan is, if this thing actually does what it says on the tin, so I'm trying to give you a close-up there. I do apologise about the lighting. If it does what it says on the tin, then I will get another one. Now at this point in time, I'm going to take the path of least resistance and actually refer to the manual. Right. I just really need to know where to put the water in, and then I'm good to go. Right, so there is, there we go. That's where you put the water in. So, right, so let's just have a quick look at that. Right, put it over a fill with water. We recommend a picture measuring cup. Well, I don't know what you mean by that. And the thing is how fill is full. I'm going to fill it up 3/4. I'm not going to fill it up to the top. Okay, so here we go. Right, so what I'm doing and what I've realised is I probably don't have enough water, which is quite surprising. Now but that will do. That is just over half, so that should do. Right, so now they say we've got to wait 3 minutes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to wait that 3 minutes, and I'll get back to you in about 5 minutes, compadre. Just going to pause the video for now.